Hey everyone, I'm getting ready for a great getaway to Jordan River on Vancouver Island with my sisters. We're looking forward to some Finnish food, some nature, and of course the sauna. So come along for a beautiful weekend of nature, relaxation, and a little slice of Finnish life in Canada.
I got my sisters a gift so that they can grow something good and strong.
Oh,
And the outside wrapping burlap is a grow bag.
oh wow,
That
okay.
there's 3 more of them. It's a medium size.
Oh
A
my.
growing thing.
Oh, seed.
I know,
Saving
right?
guide. Aw,
And then a little and then Voyager soap and
nice.
candle place.
Sunflower seeds. I had them in my other house.
And there's a gardener soap
Oh, nice.
inside there too.
Dill seeds, spaghetti squash, arosha. Oh, and this one is
guess what? All of these
radicchio.
places, all of these places I connected with.
Make this?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, pine nutmeg sweet orange. This is Finnish.
I'm calling it Finnish-inspired.
Finnish forest. This is gonna be nice. That smells nice. It's not too strong.
So it has pine,
nice.
no, nutmeg,
Yes.
and
Sweet orange.
sweet orange.
Very nice. And these are the grow bags? Yeah, it's, I thought it is on wheels, but it's not. This is cute. It's an outdoor shower. Oh, wow. How is it?
Hi, puppies. He's like, hi.
See how it looks. Good morning. I slept not too bad. I didn't make the pull-out couch. I just slept on top of it, so it wasn't the most comfortable. But I'll show you how it looks from my side this morning. You're just too cute. We're just looking here. We're looking at, he's thinking, what is this? What do you think? It's pretty nice here. The forest behind us, and if you go further down the road, there's the Pacific Ocean. It's beautiful. We arrived yesterday and we got the BC ferry. When I left home, it was quite cloudy, and on the ferry, the clouds kind of dispersed and it was blue skies. It was so pretty. That trip from Tsawwassen to Schwartz Bay, Victoria area is so beautiful because the BC ferries, they just go right beside all these islands out there. It's wonderful. When we were on the ferry, my sister Lisa had brought us all these gifts. She volunteers at a farm that does all kinds of good things and grows beautiful vegetables. I think they have some fruit too, but she gave us these grow bags that we can plant, and she gave us seeds from the farm. I got some dill, some squash, sunflowers. I forget, there was something else. So she gave us these seeds, a gardener's soap, and also some a room spray essential oil made from, I think it was birch, pine, sweet orange, and clove, and she's calling it the Finnish-forest. It's so nice, but it's perfect because we're all into being out in the woods, and this whole weekend's about being out in nature and going out for hikes, and that's what we're going to do soon. The drive here is pretty spectacular. You're driving down windy roads, and if you are into motorcycles like my husband, you would love it. It's lots of twisty turns and scenic, so scenic, because you're a lot of the time you're by the ocean, and it's just beautiful, and you can watch the waves. You can see surfers out there. The cabin is quite rustic. It's, I don't know what kind of a theme. It's not really Western, a little bit of boho. It's really well, it's got everything you need in it. The beds could be a little bit more comfortable, but it's nice. It's cozy, it's rustic. And we like the fact that it's, out here in the forest. It's perfect. Now the sauna has a lot to be desired. You know that these people are not Finnish, nor did they consult a Finnish person. We tried it last night. It's ridiculous. They put a wood burning stove inside the sauna. There's no rocks on it, no lulu at all. We improvised a bit, but we're not doing that again. It's not like the saunas we've had here that are, and around us locally. Way better than this. Is it time?
Oh. It's not even a sauna stove.
And this is ridiculous. How can that be a seat? And then you have seats way up here. This isn't, they don't know what they're doing. This is not a sauna.
No, we'll see I wonder how hot it even can get with this thing.
After we unpacked, we went for a drive a little ways down to a place called Stoked Pizza. Oh, it was really good. Thin crust pizza in a real wood burning fire oven. And we had some fungi, some mushroom pizzas, and a couple of other ones. Really good, and really neat how they had the setup so you could eat outdoors, and I'm sure it's busy year round. Then we just we went on to the beach for a little while. The sun was setting. It was beautiful. There's still some surfers out there. If you ever get the chance to come to Vancouver Island, the west coast of the island is so spectacular. The ocean is beautiful, and just beaches for miles on end. Today, I think we're just gonna we're gonna drive a little ways away, park, and then we might grab some coffee at this place called Cold Shoulder Cafe, and then we're gonna go for hikes. So come along with us. I'm gonna show you some more of the beautiful Vancouver Island coastline. Oh, you are here. This is what a rainforest looks like. It's pretty nice, but you can find these types of forests all throughout the west coast of BC here. This is the trail we're walking on in the woods. And we're heading down to, I think it's China Beach, and then there's Mystic. Is it Mystic Beach or Mystic Falls? Mystic Falls. 2 kilometers through the woods here, and then we'll be at Mystic Falls. Okay, I didn't expect this. You have to see this. It's a suspension bridge over this river, and it's quite high up. It's pretty amazing. Well, we had a bit of an accident, and so we never made it down to the beach, and we had to turn around and head back. And now we are waiting for the macaroni latiko to heat up so we can have lunch because we're all hungry. I had it frozen, but it's been out of the freezer since yesterday morning, and it's still frozen in the center, so this wonky oven here hopefully will do the job so we can have the delicious macaroni latiko. And then we're gonna have my sister is making lohikeito, salmon soup, tonight for everybody, and we've already eaten some of the pizza we had left over. I bought this hat at the gift shop just down the road is another little Airbnb and this cute little gift store that we drove down to, and anyway, I like it. And then I don't know if we're gonna go for any more walks, maybe to the beach later, and then just hang around and enjoy the nature here. I bought a pair because in case I need some, and I don't wear glasses yet, but I got a pair, but we ended up having to come back from that hike to it's called Mystic Falls, I think. My sister was up ahead of me because it's so rooty, so many thick roots and slippery bits, and somehow something caught on her and it kind of pulled her, and she went flying down and she smashed her cheek. All right, there was a bit of an accident. Oh, here she comes. Can I have a look at your face? Let's see. Okay, now we need the ice. So we hiked back up and found a shortcut to the road, and the other sister went and got the car. And we came back and we ate the macaroni latiko. It is the vegan version. They said it was good. They liked it. Tastes like what my mom used to make, kinda, pretty well. And It does have a bit more nutrition in it because it's made with a whole head of cauliflower in the white sauce because I don't put eggs in it. And now Lisa is making some lohikeito, the salmon soup, and we're gonna have salad. And we like to get away because my one sister lives here on Vancouver Island, and it is a ferry ride. It's kind of costly and it takes a long time when you're catching the ferries to get to see her. And then the rest of us are, you know, within an hour of each other on the lower mainland. It's nice when we can all get together, so we try to do something like this. We've gone to Whistler, we've gone to the island several times, the other end of the island. We've gotten used to using the saunas. We like to find a place with a sauna, and there are some really nice ones out here, but this sadly was not one of them. We're gonna enjoy the rest of the evening. We'll probably stay in and watch some movies. Is this hot?
No, it's not. The smell of it is so good.
It smells nice.
That's your water?
Okay, we're in the car waiting for the ferry to head back home, and we're lucky because we have a reservation. Sometimes if you don't, you can be in the lineup for hours, and it takes it's under 2 hours for the actual ferry ride across. But that's it for our trip. This has been our sister's weekend. We didn't actually get to the beach too much because of the little accident that happened, right?
That's right.
But we still had fun. We just relaxed and ate. That's it. And that was good enough. So see you in the next video. Bye.